Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn how to insert images in our slide. So to insert image there is two ways. First way is by clicking on to this picture icon, which will pop up one window from which we have to select images. And second way to insert image is go to the insert ribbon and select picture option from illustrations. Now my image is located at the desktop, so I am inserting the image from desktop. So image is inserted. Now we can format our image using various styles provided by format options. For example, we can set styles to pictures like this wide border, this thin border, this simple frame, this braved oval black, compound frame, and other option which are here like this snip diagonal, this relaxed perspective white, or any other option which you want to set. I am setting bevel perspective left white. So this is the style for your picture. Now you can also set border to your picture by using picture border option. So you can set border. So this is my border for picture. We can set height and width using this directly option. We can set height and width using this direct option of changing the and resizing the size. Now let's see picture effects. You can set various picture effects like router, shadow, reflection, glow. Suppose I am setting this glow, then you can see glow is set outside of the image. I am removing this border. So we can set various picture effects. We can set also 3D rotation effect. For example, I want to set my rotation effect to this. Then we can see image is rotated and it is displayed. So this way you can use your picture to insert into your slide, and you can describe your data with using picture slides. So this is about pictures and inserting picture in PowerPoint slides. Thank you.